Hello, this is a video on how to configure TBX3000A. The Wi-Fi router creates the Wi-Fi network. Here's the TBX3000A to be configured. Here's the computer to configure TBX3000A. TBX3000A can support LAN and Wi-Fi. We use Wi-Fi as an example here. Compatible dongle is orderable from Tektronix in certain countries. It can be installed on the real side or any of the 6 USB ports here. Once power on, you will find that the Wi-Fi indicator will start to blink once a time. Power on TBX3000A and use a LAN cable to connect it to the computer. Configure the network parameters on the computer. Enter into Network and Sharing Center. Choose LAN connection. Properties. Choose TCP/IPv4. Tick using the following IP address. Import IP address, subnet mask, default gateway manually. Click OK to finish. Open a web browser and import the default IP address of the TBX3000A. The web page of TBX3000A will be loaded. If the web page cannot be loaded, check the LAN connection. Press the reset button 9 seconds to load the default setup of TBX3000A. Check the firmware version. It should be the same available on the website. Otherwise, you need to upgrade the firmware first. To get the latest firmware, you can visit www.tek.com and search TBX3000A. If the version number is not same, we need to upgrade first. Click to download the firmware. Decompress the file. Open the folder. Copy TBX3000A upgrade USB sum and TekFirmware.bin file to an empty USB disk. Connect the USB stick to one of the USB interface on TBX3000A. Assure the web interface of TBX3000A can be accessed. Right-click Upgrade PC file and choose Run as Administrator. Press any key to continue. Once finished, press any key to finish. Wait for another 2 minutes for TBX3000A to upgrade the firmware. It will reboot automatically after the upgrading. If you get this error, it means that the Telnet service hasn't been enabled. To enable the service, you can go to Control Panel, Programming Features, choose Turn Windows feature on and off. Select Telnet Client, tick it, and click OK to finish. Go back to the web page again to check its firmware version. Configure TBX3000A has two steps. First, to change its hostname. Second, to connect it to the network. Click LAN configuration. Click Modify. Import admin if password is required. If TBX3000A is put on the first bench, keep hostname at bench 1 with no change. If it's put on the second bench, change it to be bench 2, and so on. We use bench 2 as an example here. Change the hostname to be bench 2. Keep the other parameters with no change. Click Submit to finish. Click Wi-Fi configuration. Click Scan AP. Select the Create Network. Click Apply, and then Connect. If security type is enabled on the router, please keep security type and encryption type with no change, as they are detected by TBX3000A automatically. Import password and click Connect to finish. Once finished, check the SSID. Go to Welcome page. Wi-Fi connection should be connected, and checked hostname should be bench2.local. Please note, if hostname is shown as bench2-2.local, it means two TBX3000A have been set with the same hostname. We need to check and correct it. If hostname is shown as VGPP-1.local etc., it means TBX3000A haven't been set up properly. Please set its hostname again. Now we have finished the setup of TBX3000A on the second bench. That's all for this video. Thank you.